sunshine. There ain't a thing that you can do that's gonna ruin my night. But there's just something about this dizzy dreaming and a bleeding little blue boy licking your fingers like you're done, and you decided there is so much more than me. And baby, honestly, it's hard to breathe next to you. I shake, I brought a gun as the preacher tried to stop me. Hold my heart, it's beating for you anyway. What if I can't forget you? I'll burn your name into my throat. I'll be the fire that'll catch you. And what's so good about picking up the pieces? What if I don't even want to? Yeah, I don't want to sing the rest of the song because it's kind of embarrassing, but yeah, that's some of it. I did it because I posted a thing about how, yeah, you'll know if you liked it. So yeah, bye.